weather driven by your Gateway Honda dealers. Visit gateway.hondadealers.com.
We've got some severe weather rolling into the viewing area.
And strong storms with potential for some large hail, quite a bit of lightning and thunder along with that as well, and a storm risk that's going to stick with us for a couple of days, it appears. So to the top of the radar, we go to show you what's happening right now. Again, severe storms building south of St. Louis. Predominantly right now, storms that have been rolling from southern Jefferson County now into the Illinois side, into Monroe County. You can see thunderstorms that are building within this zone, and the warning has been extended until 5:45. This does include southern parts of Monroe County and the northern parts of Randolph County too. So Redbud, Evansville, and then just south of Waterloo, these thunderstorms potential to produce some pretty big hail, 2-inch hail possible with this storm. And obviously along with that, there's quite a bit of lightning and thunder. So
ooh, I saw a lightning bolt.
You're probably seeing it or even hearing it or experiencing the big rain and these storms. Also, a little bit farther northwest, thunderstorms that have been blossoming across parts of northern Washington County, Franklin County, now are starting to push into the central and northern parts of Jefferson County, and these are also earmarked for the southern sections of St. Louis County. Not severe at the moment, but these are storms that could produce hail at times and could produce some gusts of wind. Obviously, a lot of lightning with these as well. So storms starting to build over the last hour and a half or so. The storms have really started to fire. And there's a boundary in the atmosphere that extends all the way over toward Kansas City. This is an area to watch because within this area, more storms could be forming as we go through the next several hours. Again, severe thunderstorm watch is in place for the entire area until 11 p.m. tonight, so we'll watch how things develop over the next several hours. I think there is some dry time late tonight into early tomorrow, but this is an unsettled pattern. We have a cold front that's on the way, and that front will spark more showers and storms. You can kind of see some waves trying to build late tonight into early tomorrow. I think there's a little more of a main event, the way the atmosphere is setting up for tomorrow afternoon. Showers and storms building ahead of that front with some daytime heating. So this zone right in through here, an area where thunderstorms could be severe tomorrow afternoon, and all severe weather characteristics are going to be present. Large hail, damaging winds, and maybe some isolated tornadoes. And by the time we get to midnight and beyond, it looks like the storm risk should be leaving us. So tonight that risk extends from St. Louis to Kansas City, and then tomorrow that risk does include Metro St. Louis, most of southern Missouri, and again, the possibility of strong and severe storms around off and on for the next couple of days. Let's view from our roof cam, and you can see how the clouds are really starting to build. The base of thunderstorms just to the southeast of St. Louis. 79's our current temp, dew point at 52, south breeze at 10, pressure falling. So it's warm and it's humid at a high today. Amazing 80 degrees after a morning low of 53. Huge warm up today. We had a couple of scattered showers early this morning and some rumbles of thunder, but the way this warm-up has taken place here, an infusion of unstable air with the temps in the 70s and the humidity high, that's where the showers and storms are once again forming. Again, there's a boundary from Metro St. Louis, and it's right in through here. And along that boundary, there's going to be more development and maybe more strong storms across the bi-state. Then this system starts to dig into that unstable air, and more storms tomorrow afternoon within this zone, right along this triggering cold front. That's going to be the area to watch tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow's temperatures, 70s and 80s. We could be close to 80 again by tomorrow afternoon before that front gets here. So severe thunderstorm watch continues for the entire area. But for the southern parts of Monroe County and the northern parts of Randolph County, severe thunderstorm warning until 5:45. We'll be watching all the cells in the Doppler radar as they continue to develop. Tonight, 61 for the low. Tomorrow, again, more storms possible. There's around in the morning, but then by the afternoon, more of a focused chance of severe weather with a high near 80. And then tomorrow night, those storms roll out of the area. And I think by midnight, we are in the clear. Rest of the extended forecast, it's pretty quiet. It's definitely cooler, 60s and 50s, and even that Monday high of 48, feeling a little chilly, but we've got a lot of dry time for the weekend and beyond.
For the latest highlights and stories, just click sports at fox2now.com.